Hi, I'm Steph, and I'm currently out here on the lake on a nice little paddle. Recently I showed how to clean my life jacket. It's nice and clean. It's greener than it ever was. But it made me think when I was taking everything out of my life jacket, I was like, man, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I thought it would be fun to make a video about what's in my life jacket. All right, so let's go into the first pocket. Also, there's things hanging on it, so we'll talk about that in a second. So the first pocket is right here. And this is my snack pocket. So I always bring 2 snacks at least if I'm not having lunch. And I always bring a meat stick and I bring a Lara bar. So a meat stick, this is good protein to have. And then a Lara bar is a good source of like a healthy fat because it's basically just cashews and dates. So it's a nice healthy snack to bring and it gives me fuel. And then over here, this varies what's in this pocket, but right now I have a pair of sun gloves. So if it was getting too sunny, I could put these on and so I wouldn't get sun on my hands. Also, these sun sleeves are normally in this pocket before I put them on. And then I usually have this in here. So this actually goes around my head. If it's really sunny, it goes over my cap like this. So depending on when I'm ready to put that on, I have that in my life jacket ready to go. And then moving right along, this is actually just a place to put my sunglasses. Sometimes it goes between sunny and not sunny, so I want a place to quickly put my sunglasses. And I found they didn't fit well in the pocket, so that's why I have this. There also is a little chamois kind of thing here to clean my sunglasses if I need. And then this right here is actually, this is attached to, I've attached this to my life jacket, but this is where I magnetize my, when I have a hydration pack for drinking, I magnetize it right here and then I can quickly just drink from the hose. So that's extra on my life jacket. Then this right here is something I recently got from Garage Grown Gear. It shows me the temperature, so it's nice. I can see actually the temperature right now. It's 93 degrees right where I am, which is awesome. It's a little hot. Okay, so the next pocket is my phone. So this is my phone, and I've been keeping it in this pocket because it fits really nicely. Now you may be saying, what if you fall in the water? You know, that pocket's not waterproof. Great question. My phone is technically waterproof, so I am taking a little bit of a chance not having it in a dry bag that floats. I was putting it in a dry bag that floats so that if it fell in the water, it would float. But it was just like getting annoying to try to take pictures and use my phone, so that's why I've been keeping it in this pocket, and it's been working really well. And then this next pocket is my whistle. So this normally, I was hanging it on here, but it just kind of got in the way. So the whistle is my pocket. You always want to have a whistle when you paddle for safety. So if something happened to you, you could blow the whistle and hopefully someone help you. This is just a compass. So it's just a little extra compass there. I always carry chapstick with me because when it's so sunny, my lips get chapped. So I definitely carry this with me. This is always just in my life jacket. This is weird and I don't use it often, but if it becomes windy when I'm paddling and I have a baseball cap, I think that's what you call these, this can actually attach on the inside of it and it will hold my hat to my head. So it's a little weird, but it's called Captures, I believe. It works really well for that specific purpose. I also have this, and this is basically a little doohickey tool where it does multiple things, and it has a Phillips and a flathead screwed bits on here, and then I can use it to like repair things if I need. There's also a bottle opener. There's like a little measuring thing. So there's just a little helpful things. You never know when you might need that on the water. And that's it. And sometimes I'll have my car key in here as well if I drove to the location. And one more thing, this fell out, but this is a microfiber cloth. So if it's raining or I got like water on something, I can use this to clean the lens of my camera or my sunglasses. So I just carry that in case I need a dry surface in case everything's wet because it's raining. Those are all the things that are in my kayaking life jacket. Sometimes it might vary, but that's usually what I carry in my life jacket. So let me know, do you have a lot of stuff in your life jacket? What kind of items do you keep? Is there something I'm missing that I need to have in my life jacket for my future paddles? Let me know. All right, thanks for joining and have a great day.